Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time in your Fiat 500. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. You'll need to access the main menu, which is typically done using the menu button found on your dashboard or steering wheel. This button is your gateway to adjusting various vehicle settings, including the clock. Once you've pressed the menu button, a list of options will appear on your display. Use the up and down arrow buttons, usually located near the menu button, to scroll through these choices. Look for an option labeled Settings or Directly Clock. Select this option by pressing the OK or Menu button again to confirm your choice. After entering the clock settings, you'll likely see options to adjust the hour and minutes. Select Time or Clock Adjustment. Use the arrow buttons to increase or decrease the hour until it's correct. Then, navigate to the minutes and repeat the process, setting them precisely. Take your time to ensure accuracy before moving on. Once you've set both the hour and minutes, you'll need to confirm your selection. Press the OK or Menu button one last time to save the new time. Then, simply exit the menu system, and your Fiat 500 clock will display the updated time. It's a straightforward process that keeps you on schedule. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.